Hi, welcome to Divine Mock Test YouTube channel. Today we are going to be bringing you the Route B at the Toronto Port Union drive test location for G2. Route B for G2. So before you show up or as you prepare to come for your G2, make sure you watch both the Route A and B and be well informed before you show up. If you need any help, you can contact us at 647-289-6514, 647-289-6514. Now, I will advise that you bring a car that is in good condition, your signals, your brake light, your horn should be working perfectly. There shouldn't be any cracks in the windshield, and your tires are supposed to be well pumped. If they come around and they see any defects about all the stuff I just mentioned, they will cancel the test. I will also suggest that you come at least 30 minutes earlier to go sign in, and then after signing in, walk back to your car and sit in the car patiently and wait for them. They may be earlier, they may be on time or late. And also make sure you have at least a quarter tank of gas in your car. Once they show up, they will now conduct a cycle check, and then we'll come to the car, we'll come inside the car and read the rules to you. And if you don't have any question, they will ask you to turn right. Make sure you park your car facing out. Don't face in, face out. It is easier that way. And once they ask you to turn right, make sure you signal, engage drive, and look around, conduct a 360 check before rolling out. And we are parked at the back of the plaza due to pedestrians and vehicular traffic at the front of the plaza. So this is the back of the plaza. This is their office right there. So watch out for pedestrians and then pick up your speed. Anything between 30 and 40 here is acceptable. And at the end, they're going to ask you to turn right. So signal your intention. And possibly they may ask you to park right here or right after the school bus. So there is an intersection here. Stop sign coming up. Make sure you come to a complete stop. It is an all-way, and we are turning right onto Rylander. Right onto Rylander. Avoid wide turns. The road is very wide, but don't get carried away. Turn right to right. And then later they're going to ask you to move to the left. Signal, check your blind spot, and move to the left. And continue straight. So there is an all-way intersection here. Make sure you yield right of way, first come, first serve. So it is our turn to go. And they're going to ask you to change lane to the left, signal, check your blind spot. Always perform MSB before changing lane. MSB stands for mirror signal blind spot. Mirror signal blind spot before you change your lane. And we are turning left onto Kingston Road. So look around, even though you have the green advanced light, and then turn left to left, and they're gonna tell you to turn left at the traffic light. So signal, check your blind spots, again MSB, and you are gonna be turning left onto Shepherd Avenue. Make sure you keep yourself busy as you wait for the green light. You'll be looking around with both hands on the steering wheel. So it is still red. And it is green, so once you see green and you are in front of the queue, roll straight inside the intersection until it is free to go. And once it is safe, look around and go. Make a left to left and change lane to right by default. By default means you don't wait for the examiner to tell you. You change lane to left, and they're gonna ask you to change back to left again. And it, as much as possible, you treat yellow as red. So we are currently on Shepherd Avenue East Road. Right, it's green. The speed on Shepherd is 60. Now, as soon as you can, pick up your speed to 60. And then we are turning left at the bus stop location here onto Van Duff. Turning left onto Van Duff Street. So it is safe. I turn. And the speed on Van Duff is 40. And in fact, the entire neighborhood here is 40. Then they're gonna ask you to turn right onto Tideswell. And this is Tideswell, and it is 40. They're gonna ask you to pull over at a safe location to 3.10. So you pull over here, and possibly they may ask you to also perform parallel parking. So perform my 3.10. If you need any help, parallel parking, 3.10 reverse parking, you can get in touch with us at 647-289-6514, and we'll be happy to help you. So after 3.10, you continue on Van Duff Street. Tideswell. Continue on Tideswell. And the speed limit is 40. And they're going to ask you to turn left. So we are turning left on Denise Avenue. And on Denise Avenue, the speed is 40. And we turning right onto Danford Road. Come to a complete stop. Try as much as possible. Avoid rolling stops, because it is illegal during the test. You should come to a complete stop for all your stops. So make sure you signal your intention to pass any car that is in front of you. And from here, we're driving straight into the plaza. They're gonna ask you to turn left. And this is where they perform reverse parking on the right here. After reverse parking, you continue to the parking lot behind the plaza, and they're gonna ask you to head in. So this is it for Route B at the Toronto Port Union Drive Test location. Watch both Route A and B before you show up. I wish you all the best. If you like my presentation, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and comment at the comment section, and we will definitely get back to you. Thank you, and I wish you all the best. Bye.